What's the meaning of confit? Confit. Confit.
Confit. Confit. The term confit refers to a French cooking technique that involves slow cooking meat, typically poultry, in fat at a low temperature. The result of confit is a tender and flavorful meat that is often preserved in jars with the cooking fat. The slow cooking process allows the fat to penetrate the meat fibers, resulting in a very rich and intense flavor. When prepared and stored correctly, confit can be kept for long periods and used as a versatile ingredient in many different dishes, ranging from salads to sandwiches and stews.